everybody, Steve Steele here from Five Psalms Company. I'm out at my wood workshop today and I wanted to show you some things. You get a lot of sawdust, just general dirt in your shop. And if you're like me, you just really don't want to take a lot of time to stop and clean up. I personally would rather be building something beautiful in the way of a furniture piece. And I think most of you are the same way. So I don't want to spend as much time, any more time than I have to, and clean up. I mean, that's just a dread. That's a drag. That's not what I do. I don't clean up. I build. So anyway, I don't know. I have tried all kinds of dust collecting systems, dust cleaning systems, and it's been my experience that it doesn't matter what you get, you still get some dust on the walls, dust around the edges. It's just part of it. But from time to time, that needs to be cleaned up. And we're going to talk about that today. But first off, we're going to talk about some of the things that we might need to clean up our wood shop. Well, we've got a broom. Yeah, that's going to be a necessity. I start with my broom and sweep up on the floor. And that's basically all I'm getting. After I get my stuff picked up, I'm sweeping the floor and getting it fairly clean. So we're going to hold on to this. The second thing, you know, you've got dust on your tools. I look at my planer, it's got dust on it. It's on the bottom of it. My joiner's the same way. On the walls, it hasn't been too long since I've cleaned it, but there's still a thin layer of dust just everywhere. So, got a small shop vac. You know, that could be used to go along the walls and get all that. But nah, we don't need that. Throw that in the garbage. We don't need that. That's not part of the system. Then we've got some cleaner here, like something to dust with. And of course we would need dust rags to get all that stuff cleaned up, right? So we got that. Now, throw that in the garbage can. We're not going to use that. We're going a different route today. This is something, I don't know how many of you remember the show Tool Time with Tim the Tool Man Taylor. The method I use is going to be similar to something that he would probably use. And it's very efficient. It works. Stay with me and we'll see where this goes. We're going to get the dust up off the floor, just the sawdust particles and all that is accumulated. And I've got my scoop, I've got my wheelbarrow here. Like I said, we live in the county, so this stuff just all goes to a burn pile. I'm going to sweep it up, put it in my wheelbarrow. We'll haul this off in a minute. Just cleaned up real nice. Cleaned up the sawdust on the floor. I've got a lot of sawhorses in here. I've got a large shop vac back here, and I like to get a few things just sort of out of the way. So what I do, I will gather them up, take them outside of my wood shop. I have a large garage type door, and it's wide open. I'm going to take these things right out front, and I don't know if you can see, but I have two windows on the back wall. I've got them open because we want to stay out of this dust all that we can. talked about the tools that we did not need. We did not need the small shop vac. We did not need the cleaning rags. We did not need the dusting material. So what do we need to do this? Well, this is going to be a quick and very efficient country boy way of cleaning up a wood shop. So I want to show you right now what you need. And the very first one is the most important of all of it. This is a dust mask, and this is a good one. I used to grow dark fired tobacco, and I used this in smoky barns and didn't inhale anything. It seals all around your face up good and tight. It's got this rubber seal. You do not want to try this with one of them little bitty white face masks that everybody wore for COVID. They're worthless. This is what you need, and it's important. Do not attempt this without this good face mask. All right, the second thing we need is this hose. This is a big steel leaf blower, and it does blow. So this thing will clean your shop, and I'm going to show you. All right, let's do this. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video today, please subscribe to our channel and like it. We'll see you next time.